Hey guys, it's Ari. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fall makeup, not so much a tutorial, more like a get ready with me. It is officially fall, I believe today, 22nd of September is officially fall. I'm super excited, so I'm ready to play in some fallish makeup. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so I got colored contacts. How do we feel about them? I like them. My dad said I look like Michael Jackson from Thriller, so there's that, but I think they're kind of pretty. Anyway. Alright, so let's see. I don't know what I want to do. I don't know what palette I want to use. I know I'm not done using all the Jaclyn Hill palettes from the vault, so maybe I'll do that, but I don't know, I don't know. Like the red one is kind of the vibe that I'm looking for today, so I probably will just use that one. So let's go ahead and start with my base. I've been doing my face first, which is weird for me because I was always like eyes first, but now I want to do my face first because I don't know, I just like how it kind of meshes together better. So I'm going to, my face is already moisturized. I'm going to use the Honey Do Me Up from NYX. I've been loving this here recently. I haven't used my Tasha in a while. Let's use both. I'm gonna use just a little bit. Let me know if you guys are interested in any like DIY wedding stuff, like videos, because I kind of want to do that, but I don't know if you guys would be interested in watching that. So let me know if you guys want to see anything like that in the near future. I have a few things like customized robes and stuff that I want to do when there are a few videos on YouTube with that, but none by me. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and layer the Honey Do Me Up on top. I posted a video clip last week on my Instagram, a video to my Instagram story using the Glam Glow mask. Guys, I have fallen in love with that mask. It's amazing. It is expensive, but like, I love how it makes my skin feel, and I've only been using it once a week, so I feel like it might last for a while. So anyway, it's like 80 bucks, but I like it. It's a good investment, I think. It makes my skin feel really soft and smooth. I have like this giant pimple right here. I think it's dairy that's causing me to break out because I've been drinking, I'm lactose intolerant, so I drink lactose-free milk, but I've been drinking milk in the morning with my breakfast, and like I'm getting little pimples, so I'm assuming that's what it's from. But it's so good. So anyway, maybe I'll just switch to almond milk, but I really don't like almond milk. It's kind of nasty. Anyway, yeah, so let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation from NYX. You guys have seen my review on this. I am in the shade, I think like Deep Cool or Cool Deep. Deep Cool. Deep Cool. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take the Born This Way foundation. Just kidding, the concealer. Born This Way concealer. I like this a lot. This is like all I've been using since I bought it. So like, I don't know, since July. So I really like this. I'm just going to go straight in with the brush. Sometimes it leaves like it picks up my foundation underneath when I use the brush, but I haven't noticed it doing that with this foundation. So it might have just been the Born This Way foundation, because that's the one that it was doing it with, so I'm not sure. Anyway, how are you guys doing? I feel like I haven't like talked to you guys, like it's just been tutorials. So anyway, I feel like tutorials are kind of like dying a little bit on YouTube. It's more like get ready with me and reviews and stuff, so let me know how you guys feel about that, if I kind of steer away from tutorials and do more reviews. I'm down for either one. So I really want to do a, what's it called? Like a lookbook or a try-on haul, but every time I try to film it, like, it just doesn't come out right. I don't know if I just don't have the right angles or if I just need to film it somewhere other than my room. It just doesn't look right. It doesn't look how I want it to look, so that's why I haven't released a try-on haul in like months, or since maybe last, like over a year ago probably is the last time I did a try-on haul. And I think I've only done like one. So anyway, yeah, I would like to incorporate those into my channel because your girl likes a little bit of fashion. I may not dress super like trendy or anything, but I like how I dress. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and set my concealer with the Born This Way loose powder. I really like this. I want to get it in the deeper color to see if it matches my skin tone, so that I can set the rest of my face with it because I like how it looks. And I really like matte foundation during the fall and winter. So yeah, I like this powder a lot because it's not too crazy matte. And it's just like, it makes your skin just look so flawless. Like, I just love it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and let that sit for a little bit. Let's start on the eyes. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna grab the, I forget what it's called, Ring the Alarm foundation. Ring the alarm, like Beyonce. Sorry, was that too much? I'm gonna go ahead and grab that palette. This is what it looks like. I have not used this on my channel yet. I haven't used this at all yet. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna try to use as many colors in here as I can. Let's see, let's start with Mugshot, which is this like camely color brown right here. This is very similar to Transition from the 39A palette, which is like my favorite shade from that whole entire palette. It's like a yellowy brown, like really pretty color. So let me find a fluffy brush. I don't know where any of my brushes are. Like, they're all scattered in front of me. Like, you guys should see how this desk looks in front. It's like, it's a lot. I really want to do a room tour. I totally forgot about that. My room is like done. I just need to clean it. Yeah, I need to do that before I move. Like before Anthony and I find an apartment and move. So I need to do that. Let me know if you guys want to see my room. So anyway, I'm gonna use this color right here. Just gonna put that in the crease. I have no idea what I want to do. I think I want to do like a blown out like cranberry smoky eye. I think that's what I want to do. So we'll see. My brows are done. Alright, so still building up that same color from before. Oh man. I'm so glad it's fall. Like, that's my favorite time of year. Fall and winter. I like fall better than winter, but fall is my definite favorite time of year. I love pumpkin stuff. I love like the haunted houses and haunted hay rides and stuff. You guys know me, I love horror movies and I love all that kind of like spooky stuff. Like, you guys know. Right here, I'm going to take that and put that also in the crease a little bit lower. And see how that kind of looks. And I'm using the Contour Eyeshadow 4 brush from Vasanti. I got this in my Ipsy bag a couple months ago, like maybe during the summer, I don't remember. It's been a while. And I'm putting this all the way across, like from outer corner to inner corner, because I kind of just want a blown out look. I'm not really doing a like cat eye shape or anything. I'm just doing a completely blown out smoky eye. Oh, I took Framed, which is that cranberry color right here, and I'm just putting that all over my lid. And it like matches my shirt. And this brush is from IBY Beauty. I like it. It was in my Ipsy brush, Ipsy bag as well. It's just like a flat shader brush. Oops, wrong color. And I'm bringing that all the way up to that deeper color in the crease. These ones, I will say, blend so much better than the ones in the green palette and the ones in the yellow palette. The green palette was a lot better than the yellow, but this is better than both of those by far. Taking this brush with no additional product on it and kind of blending all the colors together. I do have some fallout though. which kind of sucks, but I can fix that. Okay, next I'm gonna go ahead and take my finger. Ooh, this is a pretty, I didn't even realize how pretty this color was. It's like rose gold, but more red than like pink and gold. It's like red and gold. That's a really pretty color. It's called Lolly. I'm gonna take this with my finger. I'm just gonna pat it right in the middle. Well, that was very underwhelming. Very underwhelming. Okay, let me just get a flat brush. Excuse me, I'm gonna use the brush from before. And then just like pack it on this brush. Spritz it with a little bit of the Fix Plus, the gold one. And then just tap it in the middle. It's a little bit better. Oh, that's sad. I thought this was gonna be such a pretty color, and it's not. I mean, it's pretty, but it's not as pretty as it is in the pan, which is kind of sad. Whatever. All right, let's go ahead and do the rest of my face. I'm going to take this. What is this? Mineralized Skin Finish from MAC in the shade Dark Deepest, and then just a flat top kabuki brush from e.l.f. This is just their powder brush, and then go ahead and put that on the rest of my face. Also blending away any excess translucent powder from before. I feel like I look patchy for some reason on camera. It doesn't look like that in person. It's interesting. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take the bronzer from Becca Cosmetics Maui Nights right here. I know I usually typically use this during summer, but I don't know, this look is just like really red and burgundy and stuff, and it just kind of reminds me of this color a little bit. I'm gonna use that to bronze up my face. I'm gonna take my contouring brush, the e.l.f. complexion brush right here. I'm just gonna use that to warm up my face. I really love this product because it's pigmented, but it's not deep enough to really like do a whole lot of contouring or anything. It just warms up your face in like the most amazing way ever. It just makes it look like you were out on the beach and stuff. And I know it's fall, but I like how this looks a lot. Alright, I am ready to highlight. I'm going to use the little highlighting trio from CoverGirl, or the Maybelline from CoverGirl. I haven't used this in a while. It's from CoverGirl, which I just said. It's the True Blend Super Stunner palette. I don't know if there's like a name for it. Glowing Up, that's what it's called. Glowing Up. That's what it looks like right here. I'm going to use this color right here on the end, which is kind of like a rose goldy color. Where's my little sparkly, there it is, the little sparkly highlighting brush. Oh, you know what? I haven't used this on camera yet. I don't think so. I got the, one of the liquid highlighters from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Let me use that real quick. Got mine in the shade Goddess right here, which is what it looks like. It's a liquid frost, and you're supposed to like pump it and then pump it on your hand. I'm a little nervous because I don't think I've ever used a liquid highlighter on top of like powder and stuff, so I've seen people use it with a beauty blender, so I'm just gonna tap a little bit like right here, and then I'm gonna blend it out with the beauty blender, and hopefully it doesn't look crazy. Oh, it does. I don't know how to use this product. I don't know if I should have used a brush or not, but I already have stuff on this. Here, let me blend it in a little bit more on my finger before going in. Okay, there we go. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like glitter. Oh, that's really pretty. I like that. I'm gonna go on top of it with the CoverGirl, but let me do the other side real quick. You see that? Clock that wig. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use, there we go, I should have done that in the first place. It's really pretty. It's like subtle, but like not at the same time, if that makes sense. Yeah, it's really pretty, I like that. And I'm just gonna take the brush with the product that I had on it already. Just gonna blend that. There you go, I still have some on my hand. To I'm not going to use the rest of that, so I'm just going to put it on my hands. Ooh, that's so pretty. If you don't like glitter, I wouldn't get this, but it's pretty. I wouldn't use this all the time, but it's really pretty. I like it. Okay, let me go ahead and put some eyeliner on because I feel like I look like I have like pink eye or I'm a zombie or something. So I'm going to use, let me see, Smolder from MAC. I feel like I haven't used this in a while either. And just put that on my lower lash line. Okay, lashes are on and I am highlighted to the gods. Now I just need to figure out what lip I'm gonna do. I was thinking like a burgundy, like a dark color, but I don't know. I don't want to do a nude. I guess I'll just do burgundy. I'm gonna use Cherry Bomb from Wet n Wild. I think it's Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild or the NYC. I think it's Wet. Yeah, it's Wet n Wild. I'm gonna use this color right here and see how it looks. Oh, I really don't like that. I don't like that at all. Get it off! I don't like it at all. It's too shiny. It's not the right color burgundy. Pretty color is not with. Oh, I don't like that at all. Oh. Okay, let's do my original choice. So, Milani Sugar. It's the liquid lipstick. Let's see if this looks a little better. There, that's a lot better. Okay, let me let that dry down and then give you my final thoughts and whatever's on this look. And let me fix this lash because it's looking a little crazy. Alright guys, so I am back now. I have my lash a little bit fixed. My lips are dried down. This is much better of a lip choice than that shiny red that I had on before. I really did not like how that looked together. I like the color, just not with this. So anyway, this was not like a testing out the Jaclyn Hill palette, but since that's the only palette that I used and that's the one that I used today, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you my thoughts on it. So it is a lot better than the other two that I've used before. The first one, the yellow one, Armed and Gorgeous, I think the colors are really pretty. They're just very hard to work with. You can make them work with a little bit of finessing. So there's that one, and then the Dark Magic, the green palette, I really like that one a lot. It was a lot easier to work with than the yellow one, but still a little bit kind of dry and whatever. But this palette today was a lot better. It's still not the same quality as the original Jaclyn Hill palette, which is very unfortunate because that was like the palette that made me fall in love with Morphe. So that's really unfortunate that it's not the same quality, but it is what it is. I like the palette. The colors are really nice. I still have one more palette to use from that one that maybe I'll get to next week, maybe not. We'll see. I don't want this to just be like trying out Morphe products every single week. So anyway, that is that. So I really enjoyed this one. If you're gonna get any of the palettes out of this collection, I would say this one. I don't know about the last one because I haven't tried it yet, the Bling Boss palette, but all the other ones they're not as good as this one that I used today. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Go ahead and leave this video a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Thank you to those of you who have been subscribed and been rocking with me. I really, really appreciate you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!